Design thinking, in a very simple term, is a human-centric systematic model of problem solving. In design thinking, we put a lot of premium on human. The human doesn't mean customer. Human could be anybody. Human could be your employee, it could be your supplier, it could be your partner, anybody. That's human-centric. Second is, it is systematic. And I believe that as Indians, we need to be much more disciplined about problem solving. So design thinking is not about designing, it's about solving a problem. We have a bunch of problem solving methods. For example, we have TRIZ, which is a Russian technique. We have theory of constraints. We have lateral thinking, six thinking hats, Scamper, blue ocean strategy, and a whole bunch of methods are available. So design thinking is new in a way that it brings the importance of empathy and rapid iteration and rapid prototyping. Okay, so in conventional models of problem solving, you look at a problem and you solve it. In design thinking, you don't take the problem as given, you discover the problem. So the premium on design thinking is to really go and discover the problem from a user perspective. So you can say it's a very front-loaded technique. Going forward, two skills are going to be very critical. The first skill is empathy. People need to be empathetic towards others. Being empathetic towards people around in your office, towards your customers, towards customer situation and the larger milieu. So students would benefit hugely by being empathetic in general. So that's the first thing that design thinking lends. And second thing is creativity. The currency of the future is problem solving. I would say that when things like AI take over a massive portion of work, which is mundane, routine, repetitive tasks. So technology is very good at doing stuff which is repetitive, mundane, documented, sort of algorithmized. But when we talk about human on the other hand are very good at tasks which are creative, which are unique, where there is a lot of variation, where there is no predictability, there is a lot of uncertainty. So I think you need empathy to understand the problem and you need creativity to solve the problem. And these two skills are embedded when we talk about design thinking. To be very honest, I was very surprised, pleasantly surprised by looking at the students' quality. And students have been very committed. They did not break the rules and regulations of the class. They have been able to participate, they've been able to answer questions, ask questions, and they've been responding very well. So in all, I'm very pleased with the quality of the students here. This is absolutely brilliant infrastructure, I have to say that. I've interacted with some of the faculty members over food and I have found them to be very committed towards the cause. So all in all, it has been a very pleasant experience so far. I'm happy to come here again.